Hey guys, so today I am doing the makeup tutorial on this look right here. I am sick, by the way, so I'm sorry about my voice. I wanted to do a makeup tutorial with the Armed and Gorgeous palette in the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection because all of the looks I've seen with it are very like smoky and very green, and I mean, I don't wear green on a daily basis, like not green eyeshadow, so I wanted to do something that's more on the natural side, that is perfect for every day if you want to get a little bit glam while still being natural. Just because I know not everybody's going to be wearing greens. So yeah, I came up with this look right here. I tried to make it a mixture of high-end and affordable products because in my last video I used a lot of high-end products, and I'm so sorry if you found that like really annoying. So I tried to make it a good balance for everybody. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in a minute with no makeup on and show you how to get this look right here. Alright, bye.
Okay, so we're going to start off with the ColourPop No Filter Foundation Stick. Drawing this all over my face, I finally found the way that I like to blend it. I like to use a brush rather than a sponge. I just find that helps it really set into the skin and not look like it's just sitting on top of the skin and looking cakey. And then going into the Naked Skin Shapeshifter palette from Urban Decay, I'm taking that yellow shade and I'm using it as a really lightweight concealer. I showed this in my foundation routine for eczema, but I really like using that as a lightweight concealer. And then I'm going to set that with the powder that comes in the palette. And I'm doing this just because it looks less cakey than other powders because my skin was so dry from being sick. Then going in with the Armed and Gorgeous palette, I'm taking the shade Coin. And this was the first time I used this palette, so I put that shade all over the lid, and as you can see, I was pleasantly surprised. I'm just packing that all over the lid to get a really, really bright yellowy gold kind of foiled metallic shadow on the lid, and I'm also going to run that underneath of the lower lash line and putting that into the inner corner later. I wanted this color to be all over the eye basically because it was just so beautiful, and I really wanted that shade to be the star of the show. Then going in with the shade Secure, we're going to blend that into the crease. This shade is so beautiful. It kind of reminds me a little bit of Burnt Orange from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance and Soft Glam palette, in the sense that it's just a really nice kind of warm burnt orange shade. And then I wanted to add the shade Agent just to help blend everything out and kind of soften out that color a little bit and just make it a little bit kind of more like soft on the eye, and then putting that on the outer part of the lower lash line just to give our eyes a little bit more definition. And I really love the way that this came out. It looked very soft and natural. Then curling our lashes so we can apply some mascara. And then I'm going in with the CoverGirl Clump Crusher Mascara. This was the first time I had tried it, and I'm going to tell you this: I do not like this mascara. I like it on the bottom lashes. On the bottom lashes, it looked really nice, but on the top lashes, it did not hold a curl whatsoever. I literally saw my eyelashes flake down, and it's just, I didn't like it. Then using the Flower Beauty Brow Pencil. This is like my favorite affordable brow pencil, I think, ever. It is so nice to fill in the brows. It's creamy, but it's not too creamy. It blends really nicely. It doesn't leave harsh lines. I love it. Then with the Essence bronzer, this is the Sun Club matte bronzer for lighter skin. I'm going to just buff that all over the outer parts of my face and just blending it around, taking it underneath the jawline and down the neck and a little bit on the nose. I like to bronze, not contour. Then with the Papa Don't Peach blush from Too Faced, I love this blush. This is one of my favorites. I'm going to put this on the apples of my cheeks and blend it upwards. I really built up this blush since the eyes are so natural. I wanted a lot of color on my face. Then using the Precious Petals highlight from Wet n Wild, I'm going to lightly highlight my face. I don't want to go too crazy with it because if I put on a lot of highlight, I felt like it would just look a little bit too much for this look, and I wanted to be a little bit more natural. Then with the Essence matte lipstick in the shade 5, I'm going to dab this on my lips. I've been really liking doing this lately and just dabbing on my lip color to create kind of a stained look. So I'm just going to kind of map out the shape of my lips, dab it, and then just blot it off with my finger a little bit. as you see I'm doing right here, because then it's a little bit lighter. And then I'm going over with the Lip Injection gloss from Too Faced in the shade Let's Flamingo, just to give a glossy, kind of full, pouty lip, and it gives a really nice kind of bohemian vibe. And then we are done. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in my next makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!